Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2013 Chevrolet Corvette 3LT convertible in night race blue metallic on black leather interior. So we'll just start over at the rear of the vehicle. We'll let you have a look. So we do have the trunk lid in the up position here, so you can see. So nice size trunk here for the convertible. It has been designed by GM to hold 2 sets of golf clubs. Definitely not the touring bags, but your carry bags will fit nicely in there. In the front here, we've got a partition that holds the convertible top. So when the convertible top is in the up position, you can open this partition, giving yourself more through space in the trunk. We've got the cargo net here, and in the corner we've got storage, and then additional storage here on this side as well. And we'll go ahead, we'll close the trunk lid, and we'll step back and have a look. So it's got the nice circular tail lights there. We've got the chrome badge with the 60 years of Corvette on the logo, looks great. And then down below we've got the NPP performance exhaust. So there's 2 valves that open and close based on the RPM of the vehicle to make the exhaust louder when you're at higher RPMs. So we'll just shift around this side here. Here's your rear wheel. So it's got the nice chrome wheels on it, cross-drilled rotors, black calipers, and nice Michelin tires on there. Over at the passenger side, I'll let you have a look at the door skin. It's in good shape. We've got electronic door release, power windows, power locks, and we've got a 7-speaker premium Bose stereo in it as well. Here's your kick plate on the passenger side with the 60-year logo. It's in great shape, as you can see. Here's your power seat. So you got power 4 aft, up, down, manual recline, power lumbar, and side bolster adjustments. And I'll just go ahead and scan up that seat so you can see the condition. Looks good. Got nice beefy side bolsters there. Looks great. Very comfy chair. So as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. We'll have a look here in the glove box. So in the glove box, we do have the books. It's got the 60-year logo on it. Looks great. And I'll show you the codes there if you're interested. I'll try to show you the codes. We'll see if it'll zoom in. There we are. So you can pause the video for a minute and get the codes there. So that's great. We've got the embossed Corvette logo here on the dash, and I'll just show you the condition of the dash while I'm here on this side. Looks good. And we'll hop out and we'll close this side up. Just start at the back and I'll move along the vehicle so you can see the condition. Looks good. Nice clean car. And here we are at the front. We've got the vent inserts done in chrome. Very nice addition. If you don't like them, they do come out. So here's the front wheels. So again, nice chrome wheels, black painted Corvette calipers, cross-drilled rotors, and Michelin tires. We'll have a look here under the hood. We've got the LS3 V8 6.2 liter motor, which is 430 horsepower, and that's paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. And as you can see, it's nice and clean and tidy. Looks good. So we'll go ahead. Before I close it, I'll just show you. There's the hood liner. It's in good shape. And it's got the embossed Corvette logo as well. So we'll close the hood and I'll show you from the front. So here it is from the front. We've got the color matched clear lens projector headlights here, and they're in good shape. Got the 60-year badge there at the front. Here's the other headlight. Looks good. And down below you've got fog lights, and I'll just show you the lower portion of the bumper so you can see the shape that it's in. It's in good condition. Awesome. So I'll just have a close look here, see if there's any stone chips or anything to point out. So we've got one little tiny stone chip right there, and one just up here. And that might be another little tiny guy there. So those are the size of a pinhead, but they're there, so I just want to share them with you. So we'll just move around. Here's the other front wheel. So again, nice chrome wheels, cross-drilled rotors, black painted calipers, Michelin tires, and same thing here on the back. Awesome. So we'll move on to the driver's side. We've got our power locks. We've got our 2-user memory, programmable exit button, power mirrors, power windows, electronic door release, and that nice 7-speaker Bose stereo. Here's the kick plate on the driver's side. So it's in really good shape, as you can see. And again, it's got the 60-year marking on it as well. And here's your power seat control. So you got power 4 aft, up, down, power lumbar, side bolster adjustments, and manual recline. And I'll just go ahead and scan up this seat so you can see the condition that it's in. Looks good. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame. Nice and clean. And let's get in and fire this one up. There we go. All right, so driver one, and there's the kilometers for us. So we've got 43,264 kilometers, nice and low, no warning lights or issues there on the dash. On this side here, we've got telephone controls, voice command controls. Above that is your paddle shifter, so plus and minus. And you've got the same thing on this side, so you can go plus and minus. And then we've got volume controls, track change controls, and favorite controls here. And then over on this side, you've got your heads-up display. We've got cruise control on the stock, and we've got, here I'll show you from this side, there's your headlight control. So we've got automatic headlights, and we've got fog lights here as well. So those are on. I'll turn them off for a moment. So you can see there's the heads-up display, so very cool. And we'll put them back on so we can see when we get out. And then down below in the corner here, you've got your power convertible top, you've got your dimmer switch, manual tilt, fuel release, trunk release, and then over on this side, you've got power telescopic steering column as well. Push button start, your trip options for the center screen, and here's your radio. So you got AM, FM, Sirius XM, and if I hit this guy here, we've got NAV, DVD, and CD. So that's great. We've got full factory navigation as well. Move the shifter out of the way for a moment. Here's your dual zone automatic climate control with 2 heated seats. There's your 6-speed automatic shifter. You've got a cup holder. We've got cigarette lighter or 12-volt socket and an ashtray. And you've got select ride, so magnetic ride control. So you got sport or tour, just controlled by doing that. And then you've got traction control on and off. In here we've got nice felt lining. We've got a 12-volt socket. And above there's your auto dimming rear view mirror with OnStar built in. And on the visor we've got the universal remote control. So since it's convertible, I'll go ahead, we'll put the top up so you can see the operation here. So I'm just pressing the button. The door opens, the top comes out, pulls the back of the top up so the door can pass through, and there we are. So to finish it, you just turn that and lock it back into place, and that's it, the top's up. So now we'll hop out with it running, we'll have a look and a listen. Nice sound to it, and again, it'll get louder when the NPP opens. And if you like, you can also add NPP controller to these called a mild to wild controller to manually turn the exhaust open or closed. So here it is from the front with the nice bright HID headlights, and I'll just move along this side of the car for you so you can see the condition. We haven't polished the car yet, so it will get much better, but it is definitely a beautiful car to start. So here it is from the back. Nice rumble with the exhaust with the flaps closed. Some people just pull the fuse and they have the flaps in the open position, so it's loud all the time. So it's a simple way if you want the exhaust louder. So there it is, folks. 2013 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible 3LT. You're available at monroemotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.